Did I ever tell you why I got into digital marketing? So when I lost my job in November, I started a coaching business, a life coaching business. I took a life coaching certification course, which was amazing, but I only took the coaching portion. I didn't take the business part of coaching. So pretty new to being online back then. Was really new to being online. And so, although I knew how to be a coach, I didn't know how to market. I didn't have a website. I didn't have a email funnel. I didn't have um, a campaign. I didn't have my pricing. I didn't have anything. I didn't have any of that stuff, but I wasn't going to spend almost $10,000 to learn how to do the business side of coaching. So I thought, shoot, I could figure this out. Well, I got out here online and I was taking all these little master classes where I was spending, low ticket offers under $4.99. But that started adding up. Remember, I don't have a job. So that started adding up. And then I kept on seeing this lady talking about this digital marketing course that she had that would teach you all of this stuff. And I just kept watching and watching and watching her videos on YouTube. Like you might be watching my videos. And I was like, God, that sounds like what I need. And I had took my last final master class, took this master class, and at the end of the master class, I was like this close to getting some of the stuff that I needed. And then they came out with their funnel. And it was like, okay, so I have paid, for that master class, but then it was like, if you pay this much, then, we'll be able to teach you really how to do what you thought you were getting ready to learn how to do in this master class. And on top of that, it's $5,000. And I was like, no, I am not spending $500,000 to learn how to do no doggone email funnel or whatever this funnel stuff they keep on talking about. So I still was listening to the lady talking about digital marketing and about this course. Well, by now, months are going on and I'm not making any money in my coaching business. I'm creating all this content. And I am like getting a few hits here and there, but I'm not making any money and I'm still not working. I'm applying to jobs like crazy. I'm interviewing, but nothing's coming through. Nothing's happening. Nothing's turning around. My money is starting to dwindle away. And I'm like, oh my God. But I kept listening to this lady and it just sounded like it was everything that I needed from my coaching business. And on top of that, I could sell the course. So I put her through the ringers. I asked so many questions, just like you can ask me questions, but I asked her so many questions because I wanted to make sure, because I have been spending so much money trying to figure this stuff out. I was at YouTube University trying to piece things together and I would get this much of what I needed, but I needed that much more. So it was just like, oh. So I got tired of trying to piece things together, tired of not making any money, just got tired of the whole situation. So I finally pulled the trigger and I bought the course. And I'm telling you, when I downloaded that course and I got up in that baby, it had everything that I had needed to get the business side of my coaching business going, with the exception of legal and some of the forms that you need for coaching, like the pricing for coaching, things like that. But it had what I needed to get my email funnel going, to be able to track my customers and be able to keep in touch with people that have shown interest in my coaching. Plus, it taught me about search engine optimization. It taught me about creating content. It taught me about sales. Not that my coaching program didn't touch on sales, because it did, but the digital marketing course that I purchased, it gave me more insight into niche, because I had taken, of course, the niche portion was a part of my coaching program. But I'm telling you, when I purchased this digital marketing course, it had a lot of the components that I needed to really get my coaching business going the way that I wanted to get it going. And so not only was I able to get my coaching business going the way that I wanted to get it going, but I was able to start another stream of income by selling the digital marketing course, which y'all have heard me say has 29 modules, and I counted them. There's over 315 videos, and most of those videos, I would say 98% of those videos are step by step instructions, or they're all videos, which is amazing. So that is why I purchased it, because I knew that I needed what was contained in it. I needed the content. I needed the information. I needed the data, so that I could stop doing master classes, so that I could stop, spending hours and hours and hours on YouTube. Now I have the video information. I have the content of what I need at my fingertips, because I own it. So it's in my own library. I'm not in YouTube University trying to piece it all together, which there's nothing wrong with that, but you spend so much time, and having it at your fingertips and being able to, listen to it and have somebody walk you through stuff step by step by step is amazing. So that is why I purchased the digital marketing product, which is a digital marketing course for $500. So I had already gotten paid for and set up my website for my coaching business. But if I had gotten the digital marketing course sooner, I could have just set my coaching program up on one of the platforms that the digital marketing course teaches you how to do, or there's a section where it's done for you. I could have just used that for my coaching program, and I wouldn't have had to pay for a website. So, but anyways, so I even use the course to help me with my funnel on my website, because my website has funnels, and I needed help with getting those funnels going. And so I refer to the course to get that information. So, and even emails, how to, what type of content to put into your emails. So some of the things that are in the course is going to be building a solid business base. That's deep. Tailoring a business to your vision, branding essentials, intro to business automation. I wanted my coaching business to be automated. Of course, I wanted my digital marketing business to be automated, and it is automated. Sales strategy and content creation. This course is going to teach you about TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest startup and marketing guides, blogging, affiliate marketing, idea to product ready for you. Create your own digital written video digital products, Canva, ChatGPT, passive income with AI, and so much more. That is why I purchased it. If I never sold it, the content alone is worth $500. And I own it. It's mine. It's mine, which gives me the right to resell it to you so that it can be yours, and then you can resell it to someone else. So I'm Coach Tamara Darice, and going over to Transform 180 with digital product marketing, and purchase your course. Purchase your course. You can't go wrong purchasing this course. You can earn and learn, or you can learn and earn. You never have to sell the course if you don't want to. But out of these 29 modules, there's businesses that you can create out of these 29 modules. You don't never have to sell this course. The $500, it pays for itself over and over and over again by you starting a business. That doesn't mean that my computer went off. It doesn't mean that you have to sell the course. So this is not an affiliate program. This is not a pyramid. This is a woman trying to help you to start a business in digital marketing, selling a digital marketing product, which is a digital marketing course. Or if you don't want to sell the course, then you have the information to start up other digital marketing businesses. The information is contained in the course that you own. So head over to Transform 180 at digitalmkt.com. Transform 180 at digitalmkt.com. I'm Coach Tamara Reese. I can't wait to work with you. Blessings.